Simplifying radicals, you have to remember it's just hedging and dots. So first thing, don't forget about the plus or minus being there. Then square root of 121, you hedge. You'll find when you're hedging 121, you can't divide it by anything except 11. 121 divided by 11 is 11. 11 divided by 11 is 1. So because it's a square root, that means there's an invisible 2 in the corner. So that means I need 2 of something to get out. 2 11, so 1 11 gets out. And I'm done, that's my final answer. You have to pay attention to the number that's in the corner of the radical. All right, next one, same thing, hedge. 125 divided by 5 is 25. Divided by 5 is 5. Divided by 5 is 1. Because there's a 3 in the corner, I need to have a group of 3 of something. I'm in luck. 1 5 gets out. Now you have to figure out, is it going to be a -5 or a 5i? If it's an odd root, like right here, 3 is an odd number, then it's going to be a negative. If it had been a number like an invisible 2 or a 4 or a 6, then it would be I. That's it, final answer. Next one, you want to remember, since it's a square root with an invisible 2 in the corner, it's going to be I. And I'll have x plus 3. I'll put that first and then the I. I have 4, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4 dots, and I make groups of 2. Since I made 2 groups, that means 2 get out. Done, final answer. Remember, you don't care what's inside the parentheses. You just copy it down and figure out the exponent. Next one. We've got another set of parentheses. You don't care what's inside. Just write x squared plus 2 and figure out the exponent. So I make 18 dots, which is kind of a lot of dots to make. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. And I need groups of 6 of a kind. So here's 6, 6, 6, 3 get out. Now that took a long time to make 18 dots, so it would probably be easier to switch to just dividing. You just do 18 divided by 6 equals 3. That makes it a little faster. If there's a remainder, then that goes inside the radical. Last step, I need absolute value bars because this number is even and this number is odd. That's the even-odd rule. I'm going to write that down. That is the even-odd rule. If that happens, that's when you do this. 6 was my even number, and 3 was my odd number. Next problem, cube root of 27. So you hedge the 27. It's just hedging in dots all the way through. 27 divided by 3 is 9. Divided by 3 is 3. Divided by 3 is 1. I need 3 of a kind, so I'm going to circle those. I have 1 circle, so just 1 3 gets out. Now for the parentheses, I have x plus 3, but I have 4 of them, and on 3 is the group size. I'm going to make dots for this one. 1, 2, 3, 4. I need a group of 3. I just have 1 circle, so just 1 of those gets out. But there's 1 leftover dot, so that means I need to write my cube root again and write that leftover inside. X plus 3 to the power 1. Now I'm done, and that's my final answer. I just want to point out, how did we get both exponents 1s? That was from doing the dots. I had to have 3 of a kind to get out. That's how I got the 1 on the outside for 1 circle. I had 1 dot that was not part of a group, so you just count up how many dots don't have a group, and that's what's inside. That's it, final answer. All right, problem 17, we don't even have to hedge, just divide. It's going to be a to the power, what's 8 divided by 4? 2. So a squared. What is 14 divided by 4? 14 divided by 4 is 3 remainder 2. 3 remainder 2. That might be a complicated way of writing that, but you just write b to the third, and inside your fourth root, b squared. So if it helps you, make dots. So you could do 14 dots for b. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Make groups of 4 of a kind. So 3, that's how I got 3 on the outside, and 2 left over, 2 on the inside. I'm almost done. What's missing? Try to think of it. It's the absolute value, because it's the even-odd rule. The 4 was even, the 3 is odd. Final answer. Next one, 5th root of 243, that means more hedging. 243 divided by 3, I'm pretty sure it's 81. I hope it's 81. 81 divided by 3 is 27. Divided by 3 is 9. Divided by 3 is 3. Divided by 3 is 1. So I need a group of 5 of something. I just made the cut. I have 5 3s, so a 3 gets out. For x's, 11 divided by 5 is 2, with 1 left inside. For y's, I have 24 divided by 5 is 4, with 4 left over. So that's it. That's my final answer.